Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock dancing tutorial. First, gather your visual assets. Look for high-quality stock footage or images featuring a clear subject. It's crucial that your chosen media has a transparent background or one that's simple to remove. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth and effective animation process. Think about the dance style you want to achieve and select visuals that complement it. Now, let's bring your subject to life. Use a masking tool in your editing software to carefully separate your subject from its background. Once isolated, you'll apply keyframes to animate its movement. Start with small, incremental changes in position and rotation. The goal is to create a fluid, natural-looking dance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different timing and easing for a more dynamic feel. To truly make your stock subject dance, music is key. Choose an upbeat track that complements the dance style you're aiming for. Carefully synchronize your subject's movements with the music's beat and rhythm. This step is vital for a convincing performance. Consider adding subtle visual effects, such as a slight motion blur or a cast shadow, to enhance realism and depth. These small details make a big difference. Before exporting, take a moment to review your entire video. Check for any awkward movements, timing discrepancies, or areas that could be smoother. Once you're satisfied, export your finished dancing tutorial in a high-resolution format, like 1080p or 4K, for the best quality. And hey, while you're making things look good, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other awesome deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.